Hello and namaste. Welcome to this video where I'm going to share with you 6 essential tips on how to invest your money in India. Tip number 1. Start with a budget. The first step towards investing is to create a budget. Determine your income, expenses, and savings. This will help you identify how much money you can invest. Tip number 2. Understand your risk tolerance. Every investment carries some degree of risk. Understanding your risk tolerance is critical to selecting the right investment options. Tip number 3. Consider mutual funds. Mutual funds are a good investment option in India. They offer diversification and are managed by professional fund managers. Tip number 4. Invest in the stock market. Investing in the stock market can help you achieve higher returns. However, it is important to research the companies you plan to invest in and stay informed about market trends. Tip number 5. Invest in government schemes. The Government of India offers various investment schemes such as Public Provident Fund, PPF, National Pension System, NPS, and Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, SSY. These schemes offer attractive returns and tax benefits. Tip number 6. Stay disciplined. Investing is a long-term game. It requires patience, discipline, and consistency. Stick to your investment plan, avoid impulsive decisions, and stay focused on your long-term goals. Incorporating these 6 tips into your investment strategy can help you achieve your financial goals and secure your financial future in India. So, start with a budget, understand your risk tolerance, consider mutual funds, invest in the stock market, invest in government schemes, and stay disciplined. These are the keys to successful investing in India. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance and investing. Dhanyawad.